Find Full Text feature can locate and attach PDF files to EndNote records automatically. To use Find Full Text, select the references first, then click the Find Full Text icon. If prompted, log in using your university ID, then click Continue. EndNote will search for the PDFs and attach them to the appropriate records. Once complete, the total number of PDFs found, or not found, will be displayed in the group panel. If a PDF is found and attached, a paperclip icon will appear in the record. The PDF attachment will show under the Summary tab. To open the PDF file, click the PDF tab. You can view, highlight, add sticky notes, zoom in or out, save, print, or email the PDF file from the top bar menu. If the PDF is not found, you can attach files manually to the record. For users with EndNote versions earlier than 21.4, please ensure you configure the Find Full Text preferences before using this feature for the first time. To configure Find Full Text preferences, click on Edit on the top menu bar. Click on Preferences, then Find Full Text, then configure the preferences as shown above. See our EndNote guide for more details. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos on using EndNote.